Welcome to Vegas Loop. Trying to book a ride here. Yeah, thank you. So I choose wherever I want to go from this resort to Westgate Station. You can choose round trip and then hit pay. Okay. And I guess this is my ticket. You can add it to your wallet. Let's add it to the wallet. This is cool. And they say just to press this button. And that's it. I don't know where the cars are gonna come from, but I'm gonna sit here and put my glasses on because I don't see anything right now. Yes, that's the car. Just get in, yeah? Hello. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. I just wanted to try Tesla Loop.
Cool. Where are you going?
I think.
Ticket?
Yeah.
You want to go to Westgate?
Yeah.
Do you want to come back here?
Yeah.
Okay. One we're going into is the Resorts World Tunnel. There's another one that goes to Westgate. There's one that is an Encore Tunnel. And then there's just like between stations. So there's a little in between one between Resorts World and West.
Okay.
And then to Central and then South. Those are all closed by this time of the day though. There's no more convention today, so I can go to here, Fountainville, and Westgate.
Okay.
So you at least get to see some of it.
What about airport?
You can go to the airport as well, yeah.
From.
Okay, whatever.
Okay. Oh, this is so cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
And you do this all day long?
It depends. We have different shifts. Just pick them up.
Oh, nice. Like Uber.
Kind of, but we get paid hourly.
Okay. Wow, and that's it.
Yep. Halfway there.
So do you think this will be autonomous
Probably
someday?
eventually, I'm sure. The robots will take over.
Because I drive Tesla and I use FSD for almost 2 years now.
Which Tesla do you have?
I had Model 3, the new one.
Okay.
And then I sold it to upgrade to Model Y, yeah. And now I have that one.
Nice.
I bought it in December. But for the last year and a half, I don't even drive anymore.
Yeah, I've heard that the FSD on the Juniper is really good.
Yeah,
So you just let the car do everything.
I love it. That's why I even I'm filming now for YouTube. And like
I mean,
most,
these cars are easy to drive at least. It's like driving a golf cart.
it is, yeah. That's true.
It's not that hard. Once you get used to it, I will say. These are going to be airport tunnels.
Airport?
Yeah, when they're done. They're working on tunnels.
So basically, if I would like to go from that place that we just started,
Resorts World?
yeah, to the airport, you just need to go from one tunnel to another?
Right now it's kind of half tunnel, half surface street because the full tunnel to the airport is not completed.
Oh, okay.
It should be done sometime this year. But yeah, it's $12 to the airport.
From here, that's cheap.
Yeah.
Would Cybertruck fit in here?
Yes.
Yes?
We have a few of them actually. I think we
Wow.
have 7 or 8 Cybertrucks. They fit.
Did you draw one?
I have not. I've only driven the Model Y and the Model X.
I'm curious. I would like to see. I saw that some cyber cabs are here in Vegas.
There will be, yeah. They're going to be starting the trials for them here, I think. At least for here. There are other companies that are doing stuff like that as well, like Zoox, which is owned by Amazon. Waymo, I think, is also here.
I tried that Zoox one last night.
How was it?
I was impressed.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Like super nice, comfortable ride.
That's good.
Silent inside.
Really?
Yeah. Super silent, actually. And it's kind of different because you don't see the road, like only from sides.
Yeah, they've been blocked off, right?
Yeah, and like I'm used to it with self-driving, but I can imagine people who are not.
They're not used to it.
Yeah, they would probably freak out. But maybe they did that intentionally.
Probably, so you're not watching the
Yeah,
street
yeah.
the whole time.
Yeah. I'm so glad I tried this one too.
Yeah, why not?
So people are using it.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Quite a few.
But I heard, like, I was driving on a tram the other day.
The monorail?
Yeah, and many people, they don't even know about this.
It's not a very popular thing unless they're coming to the convention center or they're over here.
Yeah.
But it's getting out there more.
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good
Have a great day.
You too, thanks. Well, guys, that was a test loop. And again, this is the future. It's awesome. Super happy that I had a chance to try it. And I'll talk to you later. So this is how they build those tunnels. Concrete. Huh. That's interesting.